Good morning everyone. Today we are going to solve exercise 10.3. Our first question is draw different pairs of circle. How many points does each pair have in common and what is the maximum number of common point? Okay. So for this question we have draw four different circle. In our first circle you can see we have first circle as its center is C1 and its center is C2. What we have to do, we have to find the points these two circles have common. So as we can see, the point P and Q, that is the 2 points are common in these two circles. Okay, another circle is that two circle which is touches by the circumference. So we can say that these circle are having only 1 point common. Okay, another circle is this one. Its center is this C1 and its center is this C2. We can say these two circles are also having 1 point common, that is from here P. Okay, another circle we have which touches by the equal touches by here, that is the point P. It is C1 center of circle 1, it is C2 center of circle 2. These two circles are having equal radius, so we can say when circle are equal radius they have only 1 point common. So we can say from all these four circles the maximum common point of two circles are 2. Okay, only 2 points can be common between two circles. Another question is, suppose you are given a circle. Okay, we have second question as, suppose you are given a circle, give a construction to find its center. हमें एक सर्कल दिया गया है एंड हमें कंस्ट्रक्शन ड्रॉ करना है टू फाइंड इट्स सेंटर. सेंटर को कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे? ओके, सो वी हैव दिस सर्कल. Okay, and we have to find the center of the circle. If we don't have the center, what we have to do? We have to draw two chords. Okay, which are equal. This is chord AB and this is chord PQ. These two chords are equal and we have to find its center, circle of the center. Okay, what we will do? We will find perpendicular bisector of these two chords. Here we also find the perpendicular bisector of chord AB by using compass. Okay. So when we join, here we again find the perpendicular bisector of PQ. This is here. Okay, so when we join these two perpendicular bisector, such as जब हम इन दोनों perpendicular bisector को join करेंगे, okay, the point we get at the intersection, जो हमें इन दोनों perpendicular bisector के intersection से point मिलेगा, this point is the center of the circle. Okay, so what we have to do to find the center of a given circle, if we don't know the radius, तो इसे find करने के लिए what we have to do? We have to draw two equal chords such as AB and PQ, and then we have to find the perpendicular bisector of these two chords. The intersection point of these two perpendicular bisector is the center of the given circle. Okay, next question is, if two circle intersect at 2 points, prove that their center lies on the perpendicular bisector of the common chord. Okay, two circles we have, intersect at 2 points, 2 points common we have, and we have to prove that the center lie on the perpendicular bisector of the common chord. So here we have two circles which have 2 points in common, that is P and Q. What we have to do, we have to draw a common chord, that is from point P to Q. Okay, P to Q हमें एक perpendicular draw करना है. Then what we have to do, we have to find the their centers of these two circles. So what we will do, we will find the perpendicular bisector from both sides of this common chord. Okay, when joining this common chord, we get a line, and this is the center of the circle. This is the center of C1 and this is the center of C2. So our question was, we have to find the center of two circles which have common chord and which intersect at 2 points, that is P and Q. Okay, so what we have done, हमने क्या किया, P and Q को join कर लिया. So this is the common chord, ये हमारी क्या है, common chord है. Now what we have done, हमने यहाँ से perpendicular bisector लिया PQ का C1 सर्कल के अंदर, एंड P से भी एक perpendicular bisector इधर कट किया, एंड सेम थिंग हमने परफॉर्म की इस अनदर सर्कल के लिए. व्हेन वी जॉइन दीज टू लाइन, जब हमने इन दोनों लाइन्स को जॉइन किया, देन वी हैव आर सेंटर ऑफ द सर्कल. ओके, जब हमने इन दोनों को जॉइन करा, दिस इज आर सेंटर ऑफ C1 एंड दिस इज आर सेंटर ऑफ C2. सो वी कैन से that their centers lies on the perpendicular bisector of common chord. जो perpendicular bisector है common chord का, उस पे ही दोनों circle के center lie करते हैं. That was our question and we have proved it.